and I'm excited to open these little necklaces from Petite Boutique, which I just think it is an adorable name. So these are customized necklaces, and you can put names on them or any sort of letters, and so let's open them up to see what they look like. There's one. Oh, they look so good. Let's get them all out and then we can kind of compare letter sizes. Okay, so obviously these two are very close to the same size. I did choose to get the heart engraved as well, and these are the rose gold color. These two are very similar. One of my family members has 7 children, so obviously I couldn't fit all their names, so I just did the letters. And then I believe on one of these I did, oh, here we go, a front and a back. So these are all the grandchild's names. And these guys have a few more names. You can see how the writing got a little bit tiny, but I still think it's really, really very cute. So there you go, first impressions that'll help you decide how many letters you want, how many names you'd like to put on, what it looks like if it's front to back, and I'm very pleased. 5 out of 5 stars.